Welcome to Y-nTechGlobalTechnology, where we share the latest insights on digital marketing. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for 2024, how to boost lead generation with SEO. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned marketer, these strategies will help you attract more qualified leads and grow your business. SEO, or search engine optimization, has always been about making your website more visible to search engines like Google. But as we move into 2024, the landscape is evolving. In this video, we'll cover 5 key strategies that you can implement right away. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly discuss what SEO, or search engine optimization, means in 2024. The fundamentals remain the same: optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. However, the focus this year is more on user intent, experience, and AI-driven algorithms. Search engines have become incredibly smart, and Google's algorithms are now better at understanding the context behind search queries. This means that simply stuffing keywords into your content won't cut it anymore. You need to understand what your audience is searching for and provide valuable, relevant information. AI-driven algorithms are also playing a significant role. These algorithms use machine learning to analyze user behavior and predict future actions, making it crucial for your content to be not just relevant, but also engaging and timely. User experience has also become a top priority. A well-designed, fast-loading website can significantly impact your rankings. The bottom line is that in 2024, SEO is not just about getting to the top of search results. It's about creating a comprehensive, user-focused experience that keeps your audience engaged. So let's dive into the first strategy: optimizing for user intent. The first strategy to boost lead generation is optimizing for user intent. Google's algorithms are now better at understanding the context behind search queries. Instead of just focusing on keywords, ensure your content answers specific questions that potential leads might have. Start by using tools like Google Search Console and Answer the Public to discover what your audience is searching for. These tools can provide valuable insights into common questions and concerns within your industry. Once you have this data, create content that addresses these needs directly. For example, if you run a digital marketing agency, you might find that many people are searching for how to improve local SEO. You can create detailed guides, blog posts, or videos that answer this question comprehensively. Also, consider the format of your content. Some users prefer written content, while others might engage more with videos or infographics. Diversifying your content formats can help you reach a broader audience and cater to different user preferences. Another important aspect is the use of long-tail keywords. These are more specific phrases that users are likely to search for when they are closer to making a purchasing decision. By targeting long-tail keywords, you can attract more qualified leads who are ready to convert. In summary, optimizing for user intent in 2024 means understanding what your audience is looking for and providing valuable, relevant content that meets their needs. Next, improving your website experience is vital. A fast-loading, mobile-friendly website is essential in 2024. Google prioritizes user experience, so make sure your website is responsive and easy to navigate. Start by using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify and fix issues that may slow down your site. A fast-loading website not only improves your rankings, but also keeps visitors engaged. No one likes waiting for a page to load, and a slow website can lead to higher bounce rates. Mobile friendliness is another crucial factor. With more people using mobile devices to browse the internet, having a responsive design is no longer optional. Ensure that your website looks and functions well on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Consider the overall design and navigation of your site. A clean, intuitive layout makes it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. Use clear calls to action, CTAs, to guide users towards the next step, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, downloading a resource, or making a purchase. Engaging multimedia elements like images, videos, and infographics can also enhance user experience. However, make sure these elements are optimized for fast loading times. Compress images and use lazy loading for videos to ensure they don't slow down your site. Don't forget about accessibility. Ensure your website is accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. In summary, A great website experience is crucial for both SEO and lead generation. Chapter 4, Strategy 3, Leverage Local SEO. Another effective strategy is leveraging local SEO. If your business serves a specific area, optimizing for local search is crucial. Create a Google My Business profile, include location-based keywords, and encourage customers to leave reviews. Start by setting up and optimizing your Google My Business profile. This free tool allows you to manage how your business appears in local search results and on Google Maps. Ensure your profile is complete with accurate information, including your business name, address, phone number, and operating hours. Incorporate location-based keywords into your website content. This includes your website's meta descriptions, headers, and blog posts. For example, if you're a bakery in New York, use keywords like Best Bakery in New York or New York Bakery. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your Google My Business profile and other review platforms like Yelp and TripAdvisor. Positive reviews not only boost your local SEO, but also build trust with potential leads. Local backlinks are another important factor. Partner with local businesses, participate in community events, and get featured in local online publications to earn quality backlinks. These backlinks signal to search engines that your business is relevant and credible within your local area. Don't forget about local listings. Ensure your business information is consistent across all online directories, including Yelp, Yellow Pages, and local Chamber of Commerce websites. In summary, leveraging local SEO involves optimizing your online presence to attract more leads from your community. Chapter 5, Strategy 4, Utilize Quality Backlinks. Now let's talk about backlinks. Quality backlinks from reputable sites signal to search engines that your content is credible and valuable. Focus on building relationships with industry influencers and guest blogging on relevant sites. Identify authoritative websites within your industry. Reach out with high-quality content valuable to their audience. Guest blogging is a powerful way to earn backlinks. In return, you'll get a backlink to your site, boosting your SEO and driving traffic. Building relationships with industry influencers can also help. Influencers can provide valuable backlinks when they share your content. Create link-worthy content like guides, research, or infographics. The more valuable your content, the more likely others will link to it. Monitor your backlinks and disavow any low-quality or spammy links. Quality backlinks are crucial for boosting your SEO and lead generation efforts. Chapter 6, Strategy 5, Track and Analyze Your Efforts. Finally, track and analyze your efforts. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your traffic sources, bounce rates, and conversion rates. This data will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Start by setting up Google Analytics and integrating it with your website. This powerful tool provides comprehensive insights into your website's performance, including where your traffic is coming from and how users are interacting with your site. Regularly review your traffic sources. Identify which channels are driving the most traffic and leads. This could be organic search, social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. Understanding your top-performing channels allows you to allocate resources more effectively. Bounce rate is another important metric. A high bounce rate indicates that visitors are leaving your site without engaging with your content. Analyze which pages have high bounce rates and identify potential issues such as slow loading times or irrelevant content. Conversion rate is crucial for measuring the effectiveness of your lead generation efforts. Track the percentage of visitors who complete desired actions, such as filling out a contact form or making a purchase. Identify any bottlenecks in your conversion funnel and optimize your CTAs and landing pages. Use heat maps and session recordings to gain insights into user behavior. Tools like Hotjar can help you see where users are clicking, how far they're scrolling, and where they're dropping off. This information can guide your website optimization efforts. Set up goals and events in Google Analytics to track specific actions such as form submissions, downloads, or video views. This allows you to measure the success of your lead generation campaigns and make data-driven decisions. In summary, tracking and analyzing your efforts is essential for continuous improvement. In conclusion, boosting lead generation with SEO in 2024 requires a focus on user intent, a great website experience, local SEO quality backlinks, and ongoing analysis. By implementing these strategies, You'll be well on your way to attracting more qualified leads and growing your business. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process. Stay updated with the latest trends, regularly review your performance, and make necessary adjustments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Y-nTechGlobalTechnology for more insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.